Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to teach you English alphabet. English alphabet, it's starting from A. A for apple. Very easy one. Then next B. B for big apple. Then C. C for cute apple. It's very cute. That's very easy. This is not a D. This is, let me see. The next one. Okay, so D is not a deep apple. It's a duck. I don't know why my computer is showing this. This is a duck. Nothing else. Not deep apple. Okay. Hi, this is Lee from Computer Shop. How can I help you today?
This is George. How are you doing today? And the thing is, I'm a little bit confused because the thing is, in my laptop, I'm not sure it's the hard drive or the solid state. So my laptop is really slow. If it's the hard drive, so I can replace with the solid state, but I'm not sure. Could you help me with that?
Okay, George, let me show you how to check your laptop has a solid state or the hard drive. So just go to the start menu and you know what? Just type disk defragment. Easy one. It will show you defragment and optimize devices. Drives, not devices. Just click on that and it will show you the drive, C drive, and it will show you the media type. So what it is. So my laptop has a solid state drive. So if you have a solid or hard drive, it will show you here. Okay, easy peasy. George, I know you can do it by yourself. If you can't you do that, so just bring your laptop to the store and I can do it for free. Yeah, you're my friend, buddy. You helped me a lot with learning English alphabet. So yeah, now I know each and every alphabet because of you, my friend. Okay, bye, George. Have a good day. Bye bye. So we was talking about the English alphabet. So E for elder apple.